Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video we are covering the topic of NIOS senior secondary course, inserting images and lists in a web page. Today's video we will be seeing what are the things related to images that we use in a web page. Before starting the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's begin. So already in the previous video where we have learned about the attributes, we have already seen what are images and how to insert images in a web page. In this video we will be learning a little bit more about images, and let's start. Images have different formats, like some images will be stored in .jpg format, some will be stored in png format, bmp, and these are the formats available for storing images. So we are going to see three different images, that is JPG, PNG and GIF. So what is the full form of JPG? Joint Photographic Experts Group. So this image format is used with lot of colors, where you have got many colors in the image. For example, when you use a photograph, you have got variety of colors being used there. So JPG file format is the best option for such images. Next one is GIF. Full form would be Graphics Interchange Format. This kind of format for image would be used with few colors or less number of colors. Usually when you have pencil drawings, so usually in pencil drawings we won't use much colors for logos. These are the examples where we can use GIF file format. Next type is PNG. PNG stands for Portable Network Graphics. This would be used where images with transparency effects are there. These are the basic file format used while storing image. Okay. Next topic, inserting images in a web page. You can find a video related to this inserting images practical. Okay, we'll give a link here. We have already seen how to insert an image, so we also have some attribute related to the tag image. So when you are using in HTML, the tag for image would be img, and this is the tag, and we have got different attributes for changing the characters of this image. So first thing or first attribute would be src. We have already seen how it works. Okay, next one is align. We have not learned in much detail what is the use of this. It has got many options like top, bottom, middle, left, right, so you can use this option in the align attribute. Next option is border. You have to give any number, like border is equal to 10. That will specify the border of your image. Next is height and width of your image. Then comes alt. Alt is for replacing with a alternate text. So these all things we have already done in that previous video. Please go and check it out. Only this is not done. Practically try this too. Now let's solve the intext question 25.1. Filling the blanks. Blank file format is the best option for images with lots of color. This is photograph. We have just seen that. That is JPG format. Next question. The file format is the best option for images with a fewer color, like logo and pencil drawing. So that would be GIF. Next is blank file format is the best option for images with transparency effect, that is portable, network graphics or PNG. Blank tag is used to insert an image in a web page, that is IMG. Next is border attribute of IMG tag specify the border within pixels. Okay. Next question. State whether the following are true or false. IMG tag has a corresponding /IMG tag, that is starting tag and a closing tag. So IMG has a starting tag but not a closing tag. So this is false. Next one is using align attribute of IMG tag, we can place an image in the center of the browser window. This is false. Practically try out this align attribute, then you will come to know this false. Next one is align is equal to top, places an image on top of the browser window. This is true. Next one is using src attribute of img tag, we specify the URL of the image to be displayed. This is also true. Border attribute is used to specify border color of the image. So this is false because this border attribute helps in setting the width around your image. It's not color. So hope you understood the content. Please do subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.